Hello again. Today we have a AcAcer Spire laptop. Now the problem with the laptop, when you plug in the charger, there is no lights on the charger. The laptop is totally dead, nothing comes up. Now the customer did try to reset the battery. The charger is outputting voltage, so the problem is not the charger, as you can see. So we have to take a look what's the problem. So let's start. The first thing, of course, we want to remove all the screws on the back, and we have an access to the board. All the screws are the same size. Screws are quite loose. Probably the laptop was carried a lot. Now let's open the laptop. Now that's the laptop. Let's do the basic thing and first disconnect the battery. Let's try and disconnect the CMOS battery because it may be a frozen BIOS. Let's short the pins. Let's plug back the battery. Let's plug in the charger and let's try to power on the laptop. Still no lights. Nothing. Okay, let's see. Do we have some voltages on the board? Absolutely nothing. Okay, let's check the charging port. Yeah, we do have 19 here, but nothing past that. So I think I have to take the board out and have a look, because the MOSFETs I think are on the other side. So let's So we got the board out. Let's plug in the charger. And check, do we have 19? We have 19 on the input of the first MOSFET, and after that we don't have nothing. Let's check the resistance. Seven ohms on the current sensor resistor, which is not a good sign. Let me get the thermal camera. Let's get the power supply. We're gonna set to 1 volt so we can be safe. 1 volt, 1 amp should be fine. Now let's see something on the other side. Let's see. Let's have a look. I'm trying to hold the probes like this, and we have a heat spot. How can I do it? Yeah, there's the plus, and as you can see, I think one of those two caps is the problem. Let me use some alcohol. So let's put some alcohol like this, and I think it's the left one. Let me raise the current a little bit. Yeah, you can see, I think it's the left one. Okay, let's remove it. Sorry about that, but people are calling today. So let's see now. on the current sense resistor. Now we have infinite resistance, which means yeah, it's mega ohms, which means our short is gone eventually. Let's check. We have some voltages. It's a little messy here, sorry, but I have a lot of stuff on the desk. Yeah, we have 3.3, and probably this one is no. Yeah, 3 volts are fine. Main power L 19 volts. So yeah, we have one more capacitor here, so I'm not gonna replace it. I know it's dodgy. Yeah, 5 volts is also present. So let's put back this in the chassis and let's test it. I have to replace the thermal paste after that. If the laptop is fine, that's our agreement with the customer, so give me a few minutes just to put everything back so we can test it. Let's plug it. Pressing the power button. We have the blue light, which is a good sign, of course. We have the keyboard backlight. We did reset the BIOS, so we have to wait a little bit. Yeah, we have picture, no bootable device because the hard disk is removed. So it was a lucky customer. Now let's replace the paste. According to the customer, the paste hasn't never been replaced, so I know I have to replace the thermal putty, but I won't do it. As you all know, the paste is quite dry, which is absolutely normal. This is still soft, so it will stick back on its place. Arctic MX4. we're gonna charge the customer just the repair. The thermal paste is actually free, so we're gonna go the extra mile for the customer. Move the cooler a little bit left to right in order for the paste to get even. Let's put the battery. Let's see, did we connect everything? Yeah, everything is connected. So placing the battery. This is a lucky customer. It was just a short cap. Yeah. We did put the screw in the wrong place, so give me just a second. Like I said, I am in a hurry a little bit, so yeah. Now let's place all the screws back. Now let's check. Let's plug in the charger. We have the orange light, which means the battery is charging. Pressing the power button, we have the blue light, and the laptop is coming on. I'm not going to show you the desktop because there's a personal information. Pretty much, it was a lucky customer. It was a shorted cap on the main power rail. Sorry about the messy video, but yeah, I have a lot of stuff to do. So I hope you liked the video. Bye bye for now.